Hi, I'm Will,
And I'm Robyn,
and we're building on our land.
We sold our home when the market was high and opted for renting during the construction of our new home. Using the equity from our previous home sale, we made the down payment for our construction loan.
Determining our budget involved calculating our down payment and desired monthly payments. Despite fluctuating interest rates, we stayed the course knowing we could refinance when rates dropped again.
Initially, we purchased the land separately from our home. We secured a loan for the land and made interest-only payments for a year until we consolidated both of the loans.
Researching lending options, I contacted various lenders specializing in land loans, construction loans, and construction to permanent loans.
We chose our lender because of their quick loan processing and because their down payment requirement was within our budget. We used the same lender for all 3 loans, which streamlined the entire process. Our lender is a company that is local to us. This was a bonus because communication was top tier and in-person visits were easy to set up. Stay tuned for the next video
In our Build on Your Land journey.